NUVB stock analysis and NUVB stock predictions. This 1-minute video I'm breaking down my exact play and everything, and looking at this is 18% down, which is kind of tough. But unironically speaking, bro, it's in this bearish range. I mean, from what I can say and I can tell, yeah, I don't think it's looking good. Nights that I don't think, if I follow my rules, which I've refined over 42,000 videos, it's an immediate red zone, right? And unless there's a full big catalyst or breaks above 270, I'm not looking at this and being like, okay, it's bullish. It's actually quite the opposite. But are you gonna sell this? Well, not necessarily, because I don't like the environment. There's far better tickers to sell. This I'm just observing, you know. Maybe it's gonna shift, who knows. But that's why I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, then yeah, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. You also want to stay tuned with NUVB. For free, that is. Goodbye and enjoy.